Hey guys, I am Lily here and this is my cousin Nadia. Hi Nadia.
Hi.
I am teaching her Amharic and we're gonna say Duba Merikado Gaba, right?
Yeah.
You're gonna say it?
Yeah.
Okay, say Nadia Duba Merikado Gaba.
Duba Mereka Buba.
That's not right.
Okay.
You got the Duba part right. Say Duba
Duba.
Merikado Gaba.
Kapa mereka duba. Mereka duba. Mereka duba. Mereka duba mereka. Mereka do. No. Duba mereka duba. Wait.
Yay! You got it. Okay, say it again.
Duba mereka wait. Duba mereka gubaba. Wait.
Wait. Let me record Eva. Evuye. Hi. Dananish. This is my other cousin Eva. Evuye. አማርኛ ትችያለሽ አይደል? አይደል? እስኪ ዱባ መሬት ቀዶ ገባ በይ።
ዱባ መሬት ቀዶ ገባ።
Yay! Evuye. High five. Yay! Hi Danuye.
Hi.
Did you speak Amharic?
Half, 50-50.
ትንሽ. Okay. Can you say ዱባ መሬት ቀዶ ገባ?
Yeah.
Okay, say it.
Okay, I'm gonna say it. Here we go. If I make a mistake, it's not my fault.
Okay. Whose fault is it?
Your fault for not telling me more.
Okay. I accept that. Okay. Say ዱባ
Duba, maret, kada, kaba.
Okay.
Is that right?
እንደገና ትንሽ.
Huh? But did I do it correctly?
No, not all of it.
I don't know the two last words. You have
Okay,
to tell
try
me.
again.
Duba, maret, kaba,
ቀዶ.
kato, kaba.
Yes. Okay, say it again together.
Duba, maret, kadu, kada. Kadu, gadu, gada. Gadu, gada. Gaday, gadu, gaday.
Are you rapping or what? Say ዱባ መሬት ቀዶ ገባ.
They don't like us. They don't like us. They don't like us.
Dan ናዱዬ. Say ዱባ
Duba.
መሬት ቀዶ ገባ.
Duba, mereka duba.